Trinity protects.
Trinity provides. Sorry, they're hard to see in all this, blue.
So, what's with the,
Some dunce tried using red ink in a blue drive. Made a right mess of things. Gotta make sure it's clear before folks can move on.
And how long is this gonna take? Some people have places to be.
An hour, maybe 2, tops.
Well, as you, were.
Say, if, some people happen to be itching to let off some steam, there is a place nearby I could recommend.
Don't yell at me.
When have I ever yelled?
But I have some good news and some bad news. What are you doing?
Just seeing if it's intact after them. You wonder what's in it?
Don't you know? You took the job.
The bad news? Something to do with the standstill?
Suits out there say they tore a hole or something. We're gonna be stuck here for a while.
And the good news? Really? With your problem?
I've been clean for, like, what? A week? Hey, a week. I'm good. Let's stretch our legs. We gotta hang out for a bit anyhow. Look. They even got a mech shop to fix your arm. They're cheap.
And a betting hall, and a bar, and a strip club.
And ritzy food.
1 hour. Then we're back on the job. We need to go on a holiday after this. Somewhere remote.
And fix up mi amorcito. Don't worry, cariño. Papi will fix you up. Don't. What? I wasn't gonna use it.
Last time I gave you a copy of the company card, the bucket turned red.
It was a business expense.
I'm not trusting you in a casino with this.
Oh, but I have to trust you when you're talking to mushroom ghosts. I see how it is.
Okay.
I shouldn't have taught you this.
Repeat after me. I will not
I will not
use this card
use this card.
for anything but a legitimate business expense.
That could happen to be in this casino.
Strike.
For anything but a legitimate business expense.
Just think for at least 2 seconds before you act.
Okay, but first, pizza, bye!
Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, sorry about that.
Why, as I live and breathe, it isn't every day I see kin outside the home world. You'll forgive me for asking, but what is your name? I'm simply terrible with names, you see. And you look so familiar.
Browns.
Under what house?
Barrick.
Ah, yes, of course. Good genes, large, strong. Shame. One would assume it was something on the mother's. Well, no need to dwell on it. Mistakes are best left behind, after all.
The plan. Go to the tables. Win big. Fix up the bucket. Go on holiday. Profit? Okay. On the one hand, money. And I'll show Beebs I'm right. On the other hand, tengo que ser bueno.
And here he is, the legend you've all been waiting for. The Duke of Dance, the King of Swing. He's not dead, it's Disco Head.
You asked for a miracle and you got me, baby, yeah! Are y'all having a great time tonight? Let me hear ya! Wow, either my ball is too thick or y'all ain't being loud enough. I'll say again. Are y'all having a great time tonight? That's more like it. Hot diggity damn. Now, I do apologize. The place must be such a mess. What with the merger of Thick Chick, Dance-O-Rama, Jello Jigglers, J-Face, oh, you know. Well, looky here. If it isn't one of our fine boys in red. Oh, where we'd be without our honest, hard-working law enforcement. Having no trouble keeping the peace. Are you handsome?
¿Todo está bien?
No need to worry. We take good care of upstanding officers such as yourself. As with all our patrons here, everyone is welcome. Let's hear it for the law lads. Come on now. And because I'm such a generous soul, for the next hour, all winnings are tripled. Hey, kid. Today's your lucky day.
You thumped, boss.
Agent K, inform Kitten and JB our guest has arrived. I hope he brought a gift.
Ooh, I do enjoy surprises.
Hot damn.
Could this be it? Could this be the pixel that'll change our lives? Let it roll, baby! A huevo! Ha! Ah, that's right! Shrek is back, baby!
Wow, Shrike, you won all the money super easy and fixed all the problems with the money you have won. You are the best in the galaxy. And I am wrong to stop you from gambling. I now trust you 157%.
Yes! This is it! This is the pixel that'll change our lives!
This is your last one.
Fine! Shut me off! What's one more thing on the pile?
Sir, just a couple more minutes and we should have you all set.
Thank you.
The usual, Doc! And make it snappy! Time's a-wasting!
Yes, Queen Tiding. Come on, you three! Get to it!
Finally trading in that piece of scrap for something new, eh, Browns?
Just getting her patched up. So, how's the pirating going?
You tell me.
What happened there?
Isn't it neat? Oh, Miss Carr was in a hurry last time, but I'm sure when we meet again, she'll finish it. I can't wait!
All done, my queen.
I tell ya, I should have cut my own hand off sooner. The power, versatility. Plus, I can do this.
It does feel good to get this dead weight off for a while.
Speaking of, Where's that twig Sanchez? You finally snap him off?
Huh? No. He's off doing his own thing.
I can't believe you actually like keeping him around. Dumbass could barely cut it as a red suit. The only reason he's still alive is because he leeches off of you.
Well,
Take my advice. Don't limit yourself, Browns. You're only as good as the company you keep. You know what's holding you back. Cut it off. Now where's that loser Rickett? I'll just follow the sound of his whimpering.
All done, sir. Would you also like your tusks polished? Oh, I am so sorry. I mistook you for a Wolverinian.
That's all right. It happens all the time. No, he didn't.
Sir? Is everything okay?
Don't worry. I can cover this for my friend. We have dinner plans.
Plague walking! Popularized by Jawbone of the pirate group Scythe Lord, young wannabe pirates are risking it all to score big in the quarantine zone. The cataclysm occurred 8 centuries ago, but some believe that there are still treasures within worth hunting for. Law enforcement has asserted that those who breach into the QZ will only find horrors beyond their comprehension and a 97.01% chance of infection and death, plus a hefty bounty. Plague walkers can be easily identified by their unusual green hue. As this is a matter of public safety, law urges that if you encounter any plague walker, you must report their location to them immediately.
The news. Ever the purveyor of horror and woe, sinking us ever deeper into the mire of misery. Rickett? Sorry, was that too dark? Rickett! My sweet, stupid Rickett! Sweet! You won't believe what happened. You go and blow all your savings on some wacky gambling scheme that failed and now you're broke? How'd you get that? I was there, Shrike. I saw everything. I wish I had it. Anyone tell you you've got a gambling problem? I was trying to help. It's not my fault. It was supposed to work. But it didn't. There. I'm sure that new partner of yours, what's his name? Beard? Babes? I've only read his shirt. Anyway, he seems like an understanding guy. You know, for a Wolverinian. And not that being a Wolverinian is bad or anything. It's just that I heard they can be a lot. You shut your up. Babes is the best. I'm the a lot. I wrecked everything. Again, I know what will cheer you up. There's this video of a cat lady that's been going around. Everyone likes it. Here, look. I don't think I like myself. Rickett! What do you like about me? You should eat something. Rickett? How'd you get over there in green? Oh boy, here he comes.
Rickett, you rat! What the f*** is this? You and Neen setting me up with the Reds? You shit!
No, Jawbone. It ain't like that. This is just a good pal of mine.
Why the f*** is he wearing Red's gear then?
Oh. They ain't putting me back under the knife. If they want this suit, they can cut it from my cold, dead. He's a little sad right now.
F***ing pathetic is more like it.
Oi, control your language, JB. Remember the agreement?
You better not be screwing with me.
No, that's mine. Okay.
Where's Queen Bitch at? Or does she want me to give it to you?
She won't let me.
Then why are you here?
I don't know.
She better hurry her ass up. My time is short. So what made you quit, Little Red? You get bored telling people what to do? Could've kept the public safe from naughty words? Being the primer's lapdog, too rough? Ha! Get it?
You can't talk to Rickett like that. He was talking to you. Shut up, Rickett. Fair enough.
Hey, I'm just ribbing ya. Law. What a racket. You want a real thrill? Wanna live life on the edge? Be a man? Give plague walking a shout. That'll put some flame on your bones.
Only a numbskull would risk messing around in there. Don't say slurs, Shrike.
Well, as the Terrence once said, no risk, no reward. That false idol of theirs might have blown the galaxy to shit. But hey, at least they're junk cells. Plenty of it out there, if you ain't afraid of a little color. Don't even get in there. Ain't no trick to it. You just gotta hit the right spots. But a sad little red like you won't go further than the length of your own dick.
You wouldn't get far then.
Think you're funny, huh? Got something to say? Then say it.
No te debo nada.
Ooh! Smug like a red, blabbering like a Terran. Anything about you that's actually good?
I don't miss twice.
I ain't moving. Take your shot, Little Red.
Guys, don't fight. You're upsetting Rickett, which is me.
What jawbone?
Tiny.
That's queen to you, bonehead. So, where is it?
I didn't bring it.
We agreed 2 weeks!
2 weeks isn't enough!
How far did you even get?
To pump up gasoline!
Dude, that's the second boss in the game. You only got that far in 2 weeks! You suck!
Yeah, it's me. He's at it. Again.
Not fair! We were fighting first!
Mama!
Game now!
Oh, no! See it here. It was only joke. Funny.
You're coming with me.
Your cocktail, Mr. Ajax.
Not to your liking. I can get whatever you like. Waiter!
I'd like to leave. Please.
I've noticed your tusks are absent. You are fairly young, but they should be of significant length by now. I hope there's nothing wrong with them. I couldn't imagine being held back by something so inferior. Not many employers I know would take the liability.
I want to leave now. Please.
Oh, it's a pity what your father has been through. He has never recovered. The utter shame that you bring upon him. I can correct that, however. Remove your stain from House Barrack.
I appreciate your offer, but I'll be leaving now.
I didn't give you permission to leave. Sit down. Who exactly do you think you are? Is it really so easy to turn your back on your house? Your own kind? Your mother? I'm addressing you. Turn and face me, you aberrant! You struck me? You struck me? The impudence!
Get out of here! Now! You! Call security!
Aberrants like you should learn their place.
Name, Shrike Sanchez. Species, unknown. Endling status. Age, estimated mid to late 20s. Current occupation, law enforcement. This right?
Right? No, I never went back. My head. What do I do now?
You had one too many and started blasting in a public place. Thought a Red would know better.
I keep telling you people.
Record's a mess, too.
Ain't you the guy from the tunnel? Not again.
Just a safety precaution.
Can't you loosen them a little?
I'm gonna need you to answer a couple of questions for me first.
Shoot.
That cargo you're carrying? Who assigned you that contract?
I don't know. Beebs got it from some blues a few days ago.
Have you or this Beebs opened it?
No?
Has anything unusual happened whilst it was in your care?
Define unusual. Hey, what's it doing out there? That's my thing!
Correction. That's our thing. We're simply taking it back.
What the hell is going on?
Seems law is more disorganized than we thought.
Listen, I am a merc. I just do what I'm hired for.
Spoken like a true civil servant.
Okay, this is getting too weird. Can I go?
Oh, I do apologize, but you can't leave yet. Seems you're on the books for a private dance.
She's oh so excited. I've been told so much about you. Well, in a matter of speaking.
Oh, you know each other. Then this will be less awkward.
She hasn't quite forgiven you for that little incident on Oberon, cracking her one-of-a-kind mask. Tisk, tisk. But that's not the worst part, is it, milady? She's become quite the topic of discussion online. Kara, mighty assassin, felled by... tape. How embarrassing!
Ah, come on. You gotta love how creative some of these are. Damn! Look at this one.
Only I may tease her.
Aw, no fun allowed. Well, looky here. Now that's a strange place to get a piercing.
Órale, no me toques, idiota!
Where'd you get this glamorous gleamer, kid?
Dolan wants their stuff back. Today.
Apologies, JB. Gotta check on the merchandise.
Let's see if you live twice.
Kitten, do me a solid and save that gem when you're done. My girl could use some jazzing up. Oh, and Armstrong.
Ugh, fine. But I ain't watching.
Eyes forward, mister. Hello? Uh-huh. Oh! How delightful. Seems there's a disturbance on floor 3. Back in a few. Whoop!
Come on, Gatita. Instead of carving me up, can't I repay you some other way? Shouldn't we have a safe word?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Wait. Shrike?
Hey, babes.
Whoa, crazy cat lady!
Get 'em, boys! Get 'em, girls! Get 'em, bays! Golly, I'm running out of pronouns over here. Well, I've done all I can do.
Can you explain what he's all about?
Care to explain what this is about? Away!
Oh, my coccyx!
Get back here! I can't believe it! You're here too! Oh, you can finally finish my thing!
Didn't think to detain the dangerous pirate?
If actual Reds can't keep her locked up, what makes you think I could?
You gonna help her out?
Nope.
I'm sure JB can handle the rest. He's gonna have to. More security to Dock 9, please, and thank you. I just got this place, man.
Don't yell at me, but I have good news and I have the
Where's the crate?
green guy took it.
Green guy took it? And I suppose this green guy also took all our money too.
That was an accident.
Using our card to gamble when I specifically told you not to was an accident? Shrike.
I just wanted to use the 1 pixel. Honest. One thing led to another, and I just wanted to help. You've been working a lot with everything, and I just thought that if I could win big here, you'd have a bit of a breather.
I know you mean well. You think you're trying, but we really could have used that $5 million.
5 million? Why didn't you tell me that contract was worth $5 million?
If I had, you would have done something stupid. Joke's on me, you did anyway.
I said I was sorry!
No, you didn't.
Well, I should have!
I agree.
Good! Gotcha! Whistle verde. I told you I don't miss twice, payaso!
How the f are you still kicking?